Hello, привет. Меня зовут Marina. If you remember, it's me. My name is Marina. Welcome back to our Russian lesson. Today we'll speak about form of address. I mean, in Russian, titles such as Mr. is господин. Господин. But if you remember, we say O became A, господин, because the accent stress is on E. Господин. Mr. Господин. And Mrs. No, sorry, not Mrs. But Miss. Госпожа. 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 Miss. Госпожа. I use it mainly in formal writing or very official speech, in emails or official documents. During official ceremonies, politicians or presidential address each other like «Hello, Mr. President», «Здравствуйте, господин президент». Здравствуйте, господин. We can put president or we can put surname. For example, Smirnov. Здравствуйте, господин Smirnov. The famous Smirnov. Otherwise, we can ask, how are you? How do you feel? Госпожа Иванова Госпожа Иванова, Miss Иванова, how are you? Как ваши дела? Господин corresponds to sir and госпожа to madam. So, Mr. Господин, Mrs. Госпожа, sir or madam, lady. In Russian, this word sir also is supreme Господь. Sir, supreme, Господь. Lord or God. In the Russian Empire, other forms of address existed, like Сударь, and this is masculine, and feminine Сударыня. But they are archaic and no longer use it. This is old style. During the Soviet period, everyone was addressed as товарищ. правди. Regardless of gender. So everyone in Soviet Union was товарищ, women, men. In modern times, Russians usually speak less formally. We don't use in everyday speaking language like господин, госпожа, sir, сударь. We use usually женщина, woman, or girl, девушка. Usually for every woman, young or not so young, use девушка. Because женщина, you never know how old is she. To don't be not correct, or better correct, and it's it's better and pleasure to hear девушка. Anyway, if you are a little bit older than young girl. Мужчина, man, guy, молодой человек. And so, женщина, woman, девушка, girl, мужчина, man, молодой человек, guy, for young people, babies, children, kids. For example, девочка, girl, and мальчик, boy. Дети, children. And ребята, guys. Ребята, it's normal, typical also for the school, for the students. Ребята, okay, let's go. Ребята, to do something. And now I would like to speak about exceptions in plural forms. For example, человек, человек, one, plural, люди. Person, people. Человек, люди. Ребенок, дети. Ребенок, child. Дети, children. Ребенок, дети. День, дни. Day, days. ім'я, імена, name, names. So, ім'я, імена. And now I would like to introduce you the Russian surnames, the particular way to explain why we use for genders and plural or singular. For example, Ivanov is masculine version. Feminine version is Ivano. Do you remember the feminine became Ivanova? And plural, the same will be U. Ivanovi. Ivanovi. For example, can be other surname like Dostoevsky. Okay, let's put here masculine version. Dostoevsky. 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 Достоевская и Достоевские. Why they change different the endings? Because it's became like an adjective. The adjective we will speak and learn later. But today, for the surnames, it's enough to remember Dostoevsky masculine, Dostoevskaya feminine, Dostoevsky is plural. And so, for today, we speak and learn a lot. Put the likes, put the bell, and see you next time. Пока-пока.